Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to create folders in Google Drive. So, computer folders, they store different types of files like your audio file, your document file, your video file and all the other kind of files, and it can also store other kinds of folders. So, to learn in more details, you can come back here later. So, this is how we are going to implement this video. So the prerequisite for this video is you need to have a Gmail account already logged in to be able to access your Google Drive. So now let's get started. So over here I have opened my Google Chrome. So if I want to open the Google Drive, I can do it from here. Now to create a folder, I can click on New, then click on Folder to create a folder. Then I can just add a name. Let's say the text serve for you documents, and then if I click on create, now it is saying working. Now the folder is here. Now if I want to another way is just right click and click on new folder, then you can add the name called, I am going to use my name, and hit enter. So now this is how you can create folders. If you want to create folders inside a folder, like inside this folder you want to create another folder, you can just right click and click on new folder and click on, and you need to add a name. I'm going to call it the dummy folder, and then I'm going to click on create. Now we have learned how to create a folder inside another folder. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video we have learned how to create folders in Google Drive. So thank you for watching.